Mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lásìkò yìí, mo kí yín pẹ̀lú inú dídùn, mo sì kí yín pẹ̀lú ayọ̀. Kú ọdún àárín ọdún méjìlá wa. Christmas ti lọ, the new year is coming, and we are looking forward to it. We are looking forward with hope and joy. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún àwa ẹ̀yà Yorùbá, Ọlọ́run ṣe dá wa, Ọlọ́run ṣe yẹ wá sí ní ayé yìí. Mo dúpẹ́ púpọ̀ lásìkò yìí o. Mo bá yín yọ̀ pátápátá ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Àdúpẹ́ mo kí àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tí wọ́n mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Tó jẹ́ pé torí tí wọ́n gan-an la ṣe ń ṣe. Ẹ bá mi kí wọn pé wọ́n kú ọdún o. Pé bàbá grandfather kí wọn ò ní kí wọ́n kú ọdún o. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ lẹ́ni ọ̀pọ̀ mo ní kí n kí yín náà ni. Kí n sọ fún yín pé nǹkan náà tí gbogbo wa ń wá papọ̀, àwọn Yorùbá nation, Ọlọ́run ti fún wa, ó pẹ́ tí mo ti máa ń sọ yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n a gbọ́dọ̀ farabalẹ̀ ìgbà tí a máa lò gbà. Kí làwọn nǹkan tó ń dí ọ̀nà ó yẹ kí n sọ? Èkínní ni ọ̀rọ̀ pé bá ṣe máa ń bú ara wa, bá ṣe máa ń jà. Àwọn ará ìta ò kò yé wọn pé bóyá àṣà tiwa nìyẹn, wọn ò fẹ́ gbà, wọn ò fẹ́ mọ̀. Because àwọn ò mọ another nation tó ti ń búra wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yà ló wà láyé tó ń wá country tí wọ́n lọ́tọ̀ tán fẹ́ ń yapa kúrò ní country tán wà. Àwọn èèyàn tó ń wò wọn káàkiri ayé ò rí pé wọ́n máa ń búra wọn bí àwa ṣe máa ń bú ara wa, tí Yorùbá ìdìbò ká máa ń bú ara wa. Mo dẹ̀ ti bẹ̀yìn bẹ̀yìn. In fact, ní nǹkan bí oṣù kan àbọ̀ sẹ́yìn, mo ń sọ tẹ̀dùn ní ìkànnì kan tí àwọn tí ó ṣe ẹgbẹ́ àgbàdúrà fàgbàjagun bí wọ́n ṣe, mo ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, mo ń sọ fún wọn pé kíní ó ṣòro, Ọlọ́run ò gbà, ọmọ èèyàn ò dẹ̀ gbà, àwa Yorùbá dẹ̀ ń pé mo fẹ́ wá bẹ̀yìn báyìí, mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ fi òpin sí ní àsìkò, so that by the time tí ó bá máa dìbò yà àárọ̀ la àni máa gbọ́ra àti wọ̀nyẹn lórí ewì wa àbí lórí social media wa. Kò yẹ ká máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá. Ọlọ́run tó fún ẹ ní ẹ̀bùn wípé kó lè máa ṣe ewì kọ́rọ̀ máa dùn lẹ́nu ẹ̀, ó lọ fi tún ayé ṣe ló ṣe fún ẹ o. Ìwà ìbàjẹ́, ìwà ẹ̀gọ́ ní pé kó máa fi tú ayé ká, kó máa fi bú àwọn èèyàn. Ọlọ́run ní kó lọ máa fi bú àwọn èèyàn tiẹ̀. Especially nírú time tá a wà yìí, àwa Yorùbá níìdì ká ṣọ́ra wa, ká dẹ̀ kóra wa pọ̀ dáadáa. Màá ṣàlàyé díẹ̀ nípa yẹn later. Nǹkan kejì tí ó ń dá wa dúró tó ń jẹ́ kí ọ̀nà wa kó máa fẹ́ rough díẹ̀ láti bí oṣù kan, ẹni wípé ṣe ló wá dàbí wípé àwa Yorùbá àwa náà fẹ́ wá dàbí Southern Sudan. Láì bá ẹnìkan kan sọ, láì bá ènìyàn kankan wò, kéèyàn kan lára wa kó lórí ìdílé kó sọ pé òun ti declare Yorùbá nation, òun fẹ́ yan mínísítà, òun fẹ́ àgbà. Gbogbo ayé ló sọ pé àbí kìí ṣe Yorùbá lélẹ̀. Gbogbo ayé ló ti mọ Yorùbá fáwọn àwọn èèyàn tó ní ètò, tí ayé fẹ́ràn wọn, tí ayé sì ń fẹ́ tiwọn. The result is that nígbà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí díẹ̀ wọ́n rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìlú tó ń wá pé àwọn náà fẹ́ gba òmìnira ara wọn, tó jẹ́ pé ọdún 20 ọdún wọn sì wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀, wọ́n máa dù aráyé ò ní lísìn sí wọn. Ó ti di ọdún 3 náà tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tiwa yìí, ayé ẹ̀ta aráyé ti lísìn sí wa dáadáa. Nítorí kíni reputation Yorùbá nation solid around the world. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká wá fi ìwà mo lè búyàn, mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa tó lè burúkú sí yàn, mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ tí líle, mo lè bú ẹnikẹ́ni, mo lè bú ọba, mo lè bú ìjòyè, mo lè bú bàbá mi gan, gbogbo wọ̀nyẹn àbá. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ń ṣe aráyá bẹ̀ sí revise attitude wọn sí wa. mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín again very seriously ẹ̀yin tí Ọlọ́run fún ní ẹ̀bùn láti lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ dídùn ká máa gbọ́ lórí ewì ẹ̀bùn látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run nìyẹn o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ mọ social media ṣe kẹ́gbẹ́ kámẹ́rà sí yàrá yín kẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí gbogbo ayé kí gbogbo akádẹ máa gbádùn yín ẹ̀bùn kan nìyẹn látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ẹ̀bùn yín yẹn fi tún ayé ṣe ẹ fi tún àwọn èèyàn yín ṣe ẹ fi tún fámìlì yín ṣe ẹ fi tún àwọn ẹ̀yà tí yín ṣe ẹ má máa fi bóyá ẹ má máa fi ṣépè ẹ má máa fi sọpọ́tì nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé kò kì í ṣòótọ́ ẹ má máa fi máa sọ pé aládùúrà ni wá ń gbàdúrà wá ṣe irọ́ nìyẹn tó o bá ń purọ́ àbí tó o ń sọpọ́tì ẹni tó ń purọ́ ó lè máa gbàdúrà sọ Ọlọ́run gbogbo ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run fúnra ẹ̀ sọ why do you call me Lord Lord when you will not obey my commandments when you are opening your mouth you are using your tongue for lying and deceit when you hear the person lying and deceiving people and you are giving your tongue in support to them. How can you, why do you call me Lord, Lord? In short, what God says, the iniquity shall not approach my throne. Tó o bá jẹ́ ẹni tó ń purọ́, tó ń support ẹni tó ń purọ́, nǹkan tí mo tó yẹ kí n sọ mi ò ní sọ jáde tán, Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí gbogbo alátabá gbàdúrà kó máa gbọ́ wa. God says he will call upon me and I will hear him. That is ẹni tó bá ń ṣètò ẹni tó bá ń fẹnu ẹ̀ purọ́ tó ń purọ́ tó dẹ̀ fi forúkọ Olúwa purọ́ tó dẹ̀ wá ń support ẹni tó ń purọ́ ó lè ṣòro pé tó bá ń gbàdúrà kí Ọlọ́run má gbọ́ mo bẹ̀ yẹn má ṣe mọ́ mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún yín gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá tó bá ń lanu ẹ̀ sókè tó bá pe Ọlọ́run á máa dá yín lóhùn ṣùgbọ́n má ṣàkàṣà ìkúrò kákan dédé máa kúrò torí pé it is a fad it is. Ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ṣe irú wọn yẹn ó ń risk pé tóun bá pe Ọlọ́run kọ́ Ọlọ́run má dáhùn lóhùn obìnrin yẹn má jẹ́ ká ṣe ra wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo tún fẹ́ ní pé ńgbà tí àwa Yorùbá gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ wá pé we are a nation of order dídé á di pé ṣé ẹ̀yin náà wá fẹ́ di South Sudan ni ṣé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tí gbogbo ayé ń wò tá a rò pé ẹ̀yin ní number 1 ní Áfíríkà ṣé ẹ̀yin náà wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ayé di South Sudan ni kéèyàn kan lára yín dédé dìde kó ní ẹ̀hún ti declare ayé nation kí gbogbo àwọn yòókù kan máa kó máa yé wọn nǹkan tó ń sọ kó máa bá nìkan kan sọ ó lè máa sọ pé òun ti yan mínísítà ànájà ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi ò ní fẹ́ inú mi sọ burúkú sí nípa àwọn Yorùbá níbi kankan láíláí lẹ́nu bí ìjọ mẹ́ta àwọn kan pè mí àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì ní kọ́ńtì tiwọn nílùú tiwọn wọ́n pè mí wọ́n béèrè question lọ́wọ́ mi ẹni yín tó ṣe báyìí yẹn kọ́ ẹ̀kìnìkan wọ́n fẹ́ kí èmi condemn I will not condemn a Yorùbá person láíláí wọ́n kàn sọ pé ara wa náà ni wọ́n fẹ́ kí èmi sọ pé ara kì í ṣe ara wa ni o ọmọ mi ni o ṣùgbọ́n kò sẹ́ni tí ò kì í make a mistake a mistake tó ṣe yẹn kò define Yorùbá character that's not the Yorùbá way so ẹ̀mí mójú kúrò ń bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ lọ. Kò yẹ ká máa embarrass nation wa bí eléyìí èmi tẹ́ ti síwájú tẹ́ ní kí n lọ máa bá yín ṣètò kò yẹ kó jẹ́ pé embarrassment tẹ́ ń pọ̀ lẹ́yìn mi ni ò ní jẹ́ kí n lè lọ síwájú mo bẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká mú kúrò mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣètò yìí káàkiri àwọn tó jókòó tó ń kọ ìwé pé bá ṣe máa ṣe country wa nígbà tó bá dé nìyí àwọn tó ń ṣètò wípé bá ṣe máa ṣe transitional government wa ni àwọn tó jókòó tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé bá ṣe máa ṣe education wa ni bá ṣe máa ṣe agriculture wa ni bá ṣe máa ṣe infrastructure wa ni Yorùbá lórí ilé láyé yìí o ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ ń sẹ́ǹdì ránṣẹ́ sí mi ó kúnlé ó kún ọ̀nà. Professor kan jókòó ní Amẹ́ríkà ó kọ 39 pages ní pé bá ṣe máa ṣe economy wa tó máa ṣáájú gbogbo ayé 39 pages. Ẹlòmíràn wà tó wà ní Nàìjíríà tó kọ ìwé tó tún gùn yẹn lọ ní bá ṣe máa ṣètò gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa táyé máa yẹ wá tá ìwọ̀n aráyé wa máa bẹ̀rù pé àwọn owó lélẹ̀ yìí kí ló dé tá mọ̀ wọ́n tẹ́lẹ̀ ìfẹ́ tó jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wá tẹ́lẹ̀ ni pé a wà lọ́dọ̀ colonialism bàtà dẹ̀ kúrò lábẹ́ colonialism a tún wá bọ́ sọ́wọ́ ọwọ́ aláàmù mìíràn pátápátá àwọn Fúlàní àwọn àwùjọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ìjọba modern times nǹkan tó ń believe ni pé àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ suppress gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó wà Nàìjíríà nǹkan tó jẹ́ ìjọba fún wọn tí wọ́n nìyẹn and so we want to drag Nigeria down and nǹkan tó ń dẹ̀ wá fẹ́ báyìí ni pé wọ́n ti ẹ̀ wá fẹ́ suppress wa within Nigeria wọ́n fẹ́ ṣètò ara wọn wọ́n fẹ́ ṣètò wọn kán wá kọ́ńkà wa kó jẹ́ pé àwọn ní wọ́n bẹ́ bá ṣe gbo Haúsá mọ́lẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Haúsá kán wá gbo àwa Yorùbá náà mọ́lẹ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n ti kó ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà àmì wọn wá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà àwọn èèyàn wá from all over West Africa. They are flowing to Nigeria in their millions and the objective is to come and conquer us. But ẹnìkan kan ò lè conquer wa o ẹnìkan kan ò lè conquer wa àwa Yorùbá lè conquer wa even with the help of your federal government because the federal government is your supporter is your property. Federal government is now your property. Even with the help of your federal government, you cannot conquer us. So káwọn Fúlàní kan let go, kan gbàgbé ẹ̀ kan jẹ́ ká kí Nàìjíríà kó rọra túká tí ìtẹ̀yẹ kẹ́nìkan kan má bá ẹnìkan kan jà because bá a jà á túká bá a jà á túká ìjà kò kúkú bẹ́tà ká má jà ká má bára wa jà. Àwọn tí agbára wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó ń bí nípa agbára wà lọ́wọ́ wọn àwọn lálẹ́ máa bẹ̀ kó má jẹ́ ká jà o. Má jẹ́ ká jà torí àwa Yorùbá a máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ̀ bá ò lọ lénìí à á lọ lọ́la a lè sọ pé ọ̀túnla la máa lọ kí Ọlọ́run sọ pé ká dúró dijọ́ mẹ́rin lénìí ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ti sọ fún wa pé àwa máa lọ anyway so bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn afẹ́ bẹ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ ń bá wọn tẹ́ lọ ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn tẹ́ wá ń da yérú afẹ́ sọ fún yín máa lọ ṣe yẹn mọ́ o because àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan gbá yọ sí mi létí láti Àbújá lẹ́nu bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan wípé àwọn kan ní ó tẹ̀ ti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan tó bí ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì pé àwọn kan wà ní Àbújá tán jọmọ Yorùbá tán lẹ́sẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ díẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ láàrin àwọn ìjọba Fúlàní tí àwọn Fúlàní dẹ̀ ti rán wọn kán lọ yọ kán ṣètò kán má jẹ́ kí Yorùbá lójú ráyè lọ àwọn náà dẹ̀ ti wá èèyàn ní ara wa tán bẹ̀ sí rán níṣẹ́ pé kó lọ ṣètò kó lọ máa ṣètò yẹn kó máa sọ pé ara wa lòun ṣùgbọ́n kó máa dàrú gbogbo wọn yẹn ni mo wá ń gbọ́ láti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì mi ó yà mí lẹ́nu ó yà mí lẹ́nu gan-an ni pé wọ́n lára wa tó lè ṣerú yẹn mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ẹ́ gbé sọnù torí ọ̀nà ìparun pátápátá nìyẹn fún ẹ̀yin àtàwọn tó ń ràn yín ní Àbújá. The Yoruba nation will leave Nigeria no matter what anybody may be doing. Àwọn gómìnà fún kóra wọn jọ àwọn náà àwọn Fúlàní kán lọ dẹ́rù bà wá pé àwọn ọmọ wa àbúdọ̀ ṣe rálùlù àlá. Self-determination is the inalienable right of the Yoruba people, of every people in the world. The laws of the international community say so. Even the laws of Nigeria say so, because Nigeria is a signatory to all these laws. The United Nations Charter 1948, United Nations Declaration of Independence of Indigenous People, United Nations Declaration of the Right of Indigenous Peoples, 2007, African Charter of Human and People's Rights, and so many. The Commission for Economic Rights, the Commission of Cultural and Social Rights. Every one of them in Nigeria signed. That makes them part of the laws of Nigeria. ẹnìkan kan ò lè wá sọ pé àwa ò ní right láti sọ láti máa pariwo káàkiri ìgboro pé àwa ń fẹ́ jáde kúrò Nàìjíríà. Tá àwọn ọmọ wa bá ń jáde síta tán pariwo, wọn pariwo as of right nìyẹn. Ẹnìkan kan ò lè stop wọn. Kò sí gómìnà kankan, kò sí president kankan tó lè stop wa. Ó ká Buhari fúnra rẹ̀ lára ní 2017 United Nations General Assembly. Only the self-determination is the inalienable right of every people, and that it is immoral for the world to prevent a people from exercising their self-determination rights. That's the truth of the matter. So any governor and I'm wípé ẹ ń gbádùn Nàìjíríà, àwa yòókù àwọn gbádùn Nàìjíríà. Ẹ lọ fọwọ́wọ́nú àwa tí à ń fẹ́ jáde ní Nàìjíríà àpọ̀jù ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ jáde tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ jókòó sí Nàìjíríà. Ẹ lajúlẹ̀ náà ni ẹ fi wá sílẹ̀ ká máa ṣe tiwa. Báwa náà àwọn ọmọ wa ti agree láti fi yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà máa ṣe tiyín. There are two different rivers flowing through the land of Yoruba land today. One prefers to stay in the slavery of Nigeria. The other is determined to get out of the slavery of Nigeria. Nídìí láti bára wa jà. Òde ló máa lé mọ sílé tó bá yá ayé yín o. Mo kí yín pé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. Ẹ kú gbogbo ràtìràtì tẹ́ ń gbé káàkiri pé àwọn ọmọ wa gbọ́dọ̀ rálẹ̀. Àwọn ọmọ wa ṣe rálẹ̀ ìgbà tó bá wù wọ́n, kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe sí. Kò sẹ́nì kankan tó lè arrest wọn. We will fight it to the International Criminal Court if you dare. We already have filed petitions against the federal government in the International Criminal Court. Many ministers, nígbà tí wọ́n bá kúrò ní federal government, wọ́n á lọ jẹ́jọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní wọ́n máa lọ sẹ́wọ̀n already. So don't push yourself into crime against the international community, because when you have retired and you are no longer governor, you will be arrested and taken to the Hague and tried there. And you will go to jail, as many presidents have gone to jail in the world. And so I assure you that we know what we are doing, and we have the power to do what we are doing. We are a very highly educated people. Nobody can bamboozle us. So any governor, time bad on Nigeria, tell me I go to rally and bagwell. Àwọn ọmọ wa máa ṣe rally kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe sí. It's as simple as that. Ó dẹ̀ gbọ̀n mi pé ẹ wá tìrà yín sí on conflict with your people. Ó dùn mí gan ni, because ara kátà tí ń rò ní pé kí la máa ṣe sẹ́wọ̀n gómìnà wa gan, kí la ṣe fẹ́ treat wọn. Àwọn èèyàn sọ pé we must treat them with respect and honor. You are destroying that path of respect and honor now. Mo dẹ̀ rò pé ẹ ṣe lè padà, ẹ tètè padà. It's our country, it's our right, and we are going to take our country out of Nigeria. Now nobody can stop us. It's as simple as that. Mo kí gbogbo yín o. Ní tẹ́ ẹ lọ ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa kan ní Abuja. Kẹ́ wá lọ máa da struggle wẹ́rú ẹjọ́ ẹ stop. Don't blacken your own soul. Ẹ máa ń lọ sọ pé mo gbàdúrà gbà. Spirit, Holy Spirit. God does not endorse dishonesty. God says, pray for your Jerusalem. The Yoruba nation is the Jerusalem of the Yoruba people. If you are going to hold secret meetings or taking secret money from anybody in Abuja in order to come and disrupt the Yoruba self-determination struggle, you are destroying your own soul. You are destroying your own soul. You can claim everything. Holy Spirit, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. In fact, by mentioning the name of God in support with dishonesty and disloyalty to your own people, you are creating a dangerous situation for yourself in the world and in the life to come. For some of us, Emma destroy future. Emma destroy future money. The ball is rolling towards the fulfillment of the Yoruba nation's self-determination. And nobody can stop it. You cannot stop it. Governor, minister hiding in Abuja, sponsoring somebody to come and disrupt our struggle at home, it is not going to work. We are going to have our government. We are going to have our own country. We are going to build it into one of the most envied nations in the world. Our children are going to be going to some of the best schools in the world. And when they pour out of school, out of graduation, they are going to be coming into a society that has prepared abundantly for them. They will have employment. They will have the means of starting little businesses of their own. They will become employers of labor. Yes, they will bring the best of technology from the far ends of the world to come and build the beauty of our own country. We are going to be a nation that the world envies. That's the country we are going to work. We have the record for it. We Yoruba have a record for building civilization and beauty. In the ancient times, before the coming of European colonialism, we built the greatest organized society on the African continent, south of the Sahara. Yeah, we did. We have the record. It is in our genes to do it. And then when briefly in the 1950s, the colonial authorities gave us a chance to manage our own affairs, our father, Obafemi Awolowo, went back to the memory of the past and brought out the best government on the African continent, producing the best of everything, the first of everything. That's who we are. Give us a chance to have our own country, and we will surprise the world. Our young people are waiting. They have the skills, they have the education, they have the push. Let us have our own country so that we can go forward and use their expertise and their skills to build a great country for our people. And if we do it well and we part peacefully, our beauty, our achievements will rub off on you too, no matter where you are. Yeah. I was talking to some of our young people, and we were talking about the Fulani who are hiding in the bush and so on. And I said, wait, we will have our country, and they will still be in the bush. So what should we do about them? We are civilized people. We will make a generous announcement. Come out of the bush. Come out of the bush and go and report in so place. If you desire to stay in our country, fine. But one thing is clear, you cannot be a cattle rearer in our country. There can be no cattle, nomadic cattle rearer on the soil of Odua. It's impossible. If you want to do any other kind of job, fine, it will be available to you, provided that you respect the right of every person to their freedom and their dignity, and that you are not going around saying that you are Fulani and therefore you are anything. No person is anything more than a person before God. If you think that you are anything because you are Fulani, you are deceiving yourself. God did not make you to rule anybody. God just made you to go and rule yourself. You have lost the opportunity because you did not settle down and create a society of your own and have your own homeland. All other nations have their own land. You are the only nation that has no homeland. But your chances are not gone. You can still settle down. You can still settle down among the people you live now, especially in Hausa land, where you have lived for 200 years and they have accepted you. Go back there, settle down among them, respect them and be respected by them, and build a great society. You can build a great society there. The Hausa nation was the largest single ethnic nation north of the river Niger before the Fulani came. Hausa land can still be a great country of the modern world. Yeah. And if you go back there, you Fulani go back there, you settle with them and everything is going fine there, oh yeah, we Yoruba will be ready to help you one way or the other. That's our spirit. That's our spirit. We don't want to fight you, but if you come in to fight us, we will fight you and beat you out of our land. Whoever you are, even with the help of your federal government. So the die is cast. Oh, our young people are anxious. They want their country now. I want it now too. But we must wait until we can do it right. We must wait. It's not a long waiting. It's not a long waiting at all. We will wait until we can do it right. We can waiting another day, waiting 2 days, waiting a week, or even 2 weeks. It's not a bad thing. Doing it now and run into trouble is a bad thing. We will not do it in such a way as to run into trouble. This is a beautiful day in the life of the Yoruba people. The year that is coming is a beautiful year, the beginning of great things in the life of the Yoruba people. I congratulate the Yoruba nation. I congratulate you because God has bestowed his love, affection, and favors upon you. And every Yoruba person, everywhere in the world, will see the hand of God, the beauty of the hand of God in their lives as we go forward. Congratulations, and thank you all for listening to me, I love you all. It's a great, I'm proud to be a Yoruba person, and I want you all to be proud to be Yoruba persons. Let me repeat. You think it is fashionable, it makes you money to abuse people, to say nasty things about people. Stop it. A nasty song may earn you money, but a beautiful song may earn you more money. Think of singing beautiful songs rather than dirty, filthy, insulting songs about your own brothers. God bless you all. Thank you very much. I love you all.